we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 144. Let me show you the Liquify filter. We're just gonna use this image. You can find it under filter, Liquify. It's gonna open a new menu, so you may have to size that down a little bit. For this tutorial, we just want to focus on the forward warp tool. And then what's most important here is the size. Let me go down and you can see this gets very small. And if I go up, you can't even see it anymore because it's too big. For this specific image, let me go to maybe like 100, should be enough. I keep pressure and density the way that it is. And if I now left click drag, it moves these pixels around as they were liquid. And you can even do that on the edges. Confirm we are OK, and this is now added to your image, and it's a smart effect, so smart filter, which means that you can make it visible and invisible, and you can double click here to add and edit it. And that's the basic principle. We're going to go over all of the other details in future videos. Well, let me show you a simple effect with what we've already seen so far. Simply create a text. I'll make that a little bit thinner. I use the regular stuff Helvetica. Press Ctrl T, size it up, holding Shift and Control. Well, let me make that liquid instead of liquify. So press T and I edit it here. Let me reduce the distance between the letters. Put it in center, Ctrl T yet again. And now I size it up without holding any keys. And this allows me to transform it and stretch it right here in the y-axis. Press enter to confirm. And now I go to filter Liquify. You have to turn it into a smart object first. But now you can also add that to text. So again, we use the forward warp tool. Left click drag. That's a little bit harsh, so press Ctrl Z. And you can adjust that via the density and the pressure. Density is for the edge. Pressure is the distortion strength. Then we go down with both. That was too much. I can keep the density to 20, but pressure I'll make that around 70 maybe. I think that's better. I confirm. And yet again, this is a smart object now, so I can double click and add some more. Let me add one below. And there you go. This is how I could, for example, liquify text in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.